Let's make my Dutch oven bread that only has 4 ingredients. As always, I'll have the recipe and the measurements in the end, but it's important to not just see the recipe, but to learn how to make it. That's the most important part. I'm making this in a bowl by hand, but you can absolutely do this in a stand mixer. That's how I make mine most of the time, but I just wanted to show you guys you can do this by hand too. So we are adding our warm water, a little bit of sugar, and our yeast. The sugar is crucial so that the yeast can feed off of that and it can allow everything to bloom. This is the seasoning that I add. This is completely optional. If you don't want to add any of these, you don't have to. This is just what I like to do because I kind of like it to be a seasoned herb bread, if you will. Whether you serve it with soup or just butter, it is phenomenal. We're going to add our flour. Then you're going to want to knead this together. I like to oil up my hands when I'm doing this because you can start with the spatula, but you will need to work with your hands. You want to mix it just until everything is combined and together. You don't want to overwork it, but you also don't want to have a lot of dry patches of flour everywhere and some places where it's extra sticky. You want to oil the bowl that it's going to be sitting in, so this same bowl, and you want to oil your hands as well so that it doesn't stick to you too much. And this is for our family for dinner, so don't say, oh my god, you don't have gloves on, that's yucky. You're then going to cover this and let it rise on the counter for 2 hours. Then you're going to need a Dutch oven to bake this in. Now, I have a $500 Dutch oven, but best believe I'm not using her to bake bread in. I also don't even have a knob that can go in the oven. Shout out to those that have the Harry Potter Le Creuset knob. I want it so freaking bad. I'm using this $50 Dutch oven. At 450 degrees, you want to put the entire Dutch oven, the base, and the lid in the oven for 45 minutes to allow everything to get nice and hot. Then you're going to take it out and move quickly. Once you have rolled out your bread, you're going to plop a little bit of flour in there and then throw your loaf, score the top if you would like, and let it bake for 30 minutes with the lid on and 15 minutes with the lid off. And this is what it looks like. It is phenomenal every single time. Also, just listen to it cracking. I'm obsessed with that sound. This is what the bread came out looking like. If you make this, please let me know and DM me a picture on Instagram. Okay, bye!